and welcome to Dickhead of the Week, Rage Edition. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I am pissed off today. Amazon dicking me over again. Well, not Amazon themselves. Well, sort of Amazon themselves. Their useless system is dicking me over again. So this week's Dickhead of the Week is the person who decided to order an Epson ink cartridge on Amazon from me, from FBA. And then they decided to open it up, take the ink cartridge, use it until it was empty, and then return it to me a month later empty. It's been used, it's empty, and they said it was defective, and they got a full refund including all of their postage, and then I had to pay to have this sent back to myself, which was probably 50p or so, 50p a pound, just to get a chuffing empty ink cartridge. Now, this has been accepted by Amazon to say, yep, that's fine, you know, that's all good. And it wasn't, I don't think they had it as defective. I think it just came out as customer damaged. So that's why I had it returned. I can't quite remember, but anyway, they have blatantly scammed me for, I think this was about 15-20 quid. I picked this up from, it was RA, it was at Tesco. I can't remember how much I paid for it, but yeah, it's completely empty ink cartridge, it's worth nothing. And I know that if I contact customer service, they are basically going to say that it's a cost of doing business and to suck it up. But this is a joke. This is like, it's ridiculous. So yeah, that's my brief Dickhead of the Week. Whoever it is a f***ing prick. Anyway, thanks ever so much for watching. Excuse my potty mouth. If you like this kind of video, smash the like button. If anybody has had similar experiences, I mean, I know that if I'd sold that on eBay, they'd never be able to get away with doing that on eBay. Never. But Amazon, it's easy. So there you go. Thanks ever so much for watching. Smash that like button if you like these videos. And also there's a playlist of all the other ones just below. Take it easy. Bye.